Okay, so let's move on with our review of probability. Let's look at problem number one. A frozen yogurt shop offers scoops in cake cones, waffle cones, or cups. You can also get vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, pistachio, or coffee flavored frozen yogurt. If you order a single scoop, how many outcomes are in the sample space? Okay, so it's talking about a total number of outcomes in the sample space. So it's not asking what the sample space is, just how many total outcomes. Well, we have two different possibilities here. We offer scoops in cake cones, so let's highlight that. Cake cones, waffle cones, and cups. And you can get, let's look here, I'm going to go with the highlighter. Let's go with a different color, so let's go with red. You can get vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, pistachio, or coffee flavored. So if we look at that, how many different kinds of, well, I guess cones or cups can we have? We have cake cones, waffle cones, or cups. So that's 3 outcomes there. Now you can also get vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, pistachio, or coffee. So that's 5 outcomes there. And to find the total number of outcomes, all we're going to do is simply multiply these two together. 3 times 5 is 15, so our answer is D, 15. Moving on, a bag contains 7 purple beads, 4 blue beads, and 4 pink beads. What is the probability of not drawing a pink bead? Okay, so that's super important. So what's the probability of not drawing a pink bead? Well, in order to find a probability, we need to know the total. So how many are there? Well, there are 7 purple, 4 blue, and 4 pink. So that's a total, of 15 beads. So how many of them are not pink? Not pink is what we're looking for. Well, we know that 4 are pink. So if 4 are pink, that means the rest are not pink. So simply take 4 away from the total, and our answer is 11 out of 15, which again is D. Now 3. During the month of June, Ava kept track of the number of days she saw birds in her garden. She saw birds on 18 days of the month. What is the experimental probability that she will see birds in her garden on July 1st? Okay, so we're talking about seeing birds 18 days of the month. And what month is that? That month is June. So if we know, or maybe we have to look it up, June has 30 days. And we saw, or she saw birds 18 out of those 30 days. What's the experimental probability? Well, based on what happened before, or an experiment that we've done. So the experimental probability is 18 out of 30. I do not see 18 out of 30 in the answer options, so let's try simplifying. We can divide them both. Take that away. Divide them both. Let's divide them both by 6. And we're going to get 3 out of 5. Is 3 out of 5 there? Yes, it is. The answer is D. Moving on to the last problem. A rectangle has a width of 4 inches and a length of 6 inches. A similar rectangle has a width of 12 inches. What is the length of the similar rectangle? Now, this is a little different. It's kind of a review on similar figures, but that's okay. We can do that. A rectangle has a width of 4 inches. So let's put width of 4 inches. W means width. And let's go length of 6 inches. A similar rectangle has a width of 14 inches, so width is with the numerators on top, so we're going to put that as 12, and we're going to put x on the bottom. So, multiple ways to do proportions. This one seems pretty easy because we know the relationship here. We know the relationship between 4 and 12, that is times 3. So if we times 3 to the numerator, we have to times 3 to the denominator. And 4 times 3 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18. Do we get 18 anywhere? Yep, the answer is D.